Telegram has been banned in India for the NEET re-exam. One of India's most popular messaging platforms is now no longer available till the 22nd of June. Let me tell you all about this ban and why it's being criticized in the next 2 minutes. First, the why. Telegram is allegedly used to circulate leaked question papers. The National Testing Agency says that channels named NEET Paper Leaked, Private Mafia, Re-NEET Mafia have already started surfacing on Telegram. The NTA says that these channels are demanding lakhs of rupees from students, falsely claiming that they have the leaked Re-NEET question papers. And since the initial NEET exam was cancelled due to a paper leak last month, the government is now blocking this channel of paper circulation and rumor circulation. Now, importantly, it's not just messages that have been blocked. People won't even be able to edit messages on Telegram for a week after the exam till June 30th. This has been done for an interesting reason. NTA says that sometimes after the exam, these channel admins go back and edit their previous messages. They replace the PDF files in those old messages with the actual question paper after the exam, and through this they claim that the question paper was actually leaked before the exam. Now, since Telegram is used by more than 10 crore Indians, this ban will affect all those who use this app for personal, educational or professional reasons. But NTA says that this is a last resort measure that's needed for security of the NEET exam that's taken by more than 20 lakh students. However, critics say that this is just a band-aid solution. The Internet Freedom Foundation questions that when the NTA says that it has managed to take down all channels allegedly involved in circulating question papers, then why is such a nationwide ban needed? IFF adds that thousands of students depend on Telegram for study groups, doubt clearing and shared resources, and cutting off this access at the last moment affects these students. Not just NEET students, but even many UPSC aspirants who are preparing for the upcoming mains exam rely heavily on Telegram for their preparation. Additionally, the previous leaked paper was circulating on WhatsApp according to authorities, so it's not really this platform that's the central issue, which is why this step is being called a deflection from the Education Ministry's failures. Telegram CEO says that ordinary users are being punished while paper leaks will just move to other apps. Another important point is that such a ban can never actually be implemented properly, since fraudsters and paper leak mafias will still be able to access Telegram messaging through VPN. Now, at the end, from putting paper setters in a lockdown to involving the Indian Air Force for paper distribution to now this, while some of these solutions might help, they also reveal how big of a failure our education system has been in conducting these exams properly using normal measures. Tell us what you think about this and do follow Peak TV for more such honest, unbiased news.